Hello and welcome to this RapidRx tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can add a patient to your practice. There are several patients who are already available in the RapidRx community, so you can have multiple ways on how you can assign a patient to your practice. So first, once you open the application, you can log in using your credentials, and once you log into the application, then you will be able to write prescriptions. But before you write prescriptions, you obviously want to choose a patient. So if you want to see if a patient is already assigned to you, you will be able to go ahead and see all the patients who are already in your practice. So you will be able to select any patient from this list. But if you do not have a patient in that list, you can go ahead and click on this green plus button, and then you can search for a particular patient if the patient is available in the entire RapidRx community. So you can enter the phone number of that particular patient, and then you can click search, and then once you will be able to see all the patients who are available in the RapidRx community. And if you see a patient that you want to assign to your practice, you can go ahead and choose that patient. And there are two options that you have once you identify a patient. One, you can add that particular patient to your practice, or you can add a relative of that particular patient or who is assigned to have that phone number to your practice. So for example, if I want to add this Ramesh Nair to my practice, I will go ahead and say add as my patient, and then say the patient is already assigned to you. So this particular patient is already assigned to me. Let me go ahead and choose if this patient is available. It's already assigned to me, so I will go ahead and choose this patient. It's already existing to you. Now, so this particular patient is successfully assigned to me. So now Shilpa Kumari, who is in the RapidRx community, is assigned to my practice. I can also add a particular relative associated with that phone number to my practice. For example, if Shilpa Kumari is a mother of a child, and if you want to associate a child of this Shilpa Kumari to your practice, then you can go ahead and add a relative, and then you can put the child details here. And then I will say add relative. Now this particular patient's child is assigned to me. So those are two ways that you can add a patient or assign an existing patient in the community to yourself. But what if you do not find a patient who is not in the community, who is a new patient? So for example, I again search that patient by the phone number. So now with this phone number, I don't have a patient. So then I can go ahead and add patient, and then I can give the patient's name, mobile number, and then I will give an age, and I will give the gender. And then once I've entered all the details, I'll click on this top right button, which is done. Now the patient is already now assigned to you. So that's basically how you can add patients. One, you can add a new patient who is not available in the RapidRx community, or if the patient is already available in the RapidRx community, you will be able to assign that patient to yourself. or if already a patient is available in the RapidRx community and you want to add a relative, whether it is a spouse or whether it is a child, then you will be able to assign that patient to your practice. I hope you are now comfortable in how to add a patient to your practice. If you still have any questions, please feel free to call us at 040-645-64537, or you can also email us at support@science.in. That is support, SUPPORT, at science, SAINCE.in. Thank you so much for watching.